Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new hair. Today I'm going to be doing the Allure unboxing, and I apologize that I'm super late. This is the April box, but I still wanted to unbox it because it is done in collaboration with the beautiful Carli Bybel, and I just loved some of the things that she picked out. It's always fun when Allure does a collaboration because then you get some different things that you wouldn't normally get. So I love that. So let's get started. It's super duper adorable. So this month you're going to get this clear bag, which is so cute, and it's always got these gold clips here that the snaps. And the first thing, which is super exciting, is a Natasha Denona eyeshadow, and it is super gorgeous. These, I'll show you the color. Oh wow, it's so pretty. And the color is brondage, I believe. And it looks like that. It is so gorgeous. And look at the packaging. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. So that is number one, and I'm going to let you know what the value of that is. So the value of that eyeshadow is $27. So again, you're going to pay $16 for your Allure box. So right there, that already pays for it. The second thing is this Anastasia liquid lip, and it is in the color Pure Hollywood. Now, I have not swatched this, but I have swatched it in Sephora recently, and it's like, I like nudes, but this is like way too light. I'll see if I can find a swatch. I'll insert a swatch for you so you can see what that looks like. So either I may put this in a giveaway or pass it on to one of my peeps. So another thing that's in this is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz, which I love the Briogeo brand. I just ran out of my Rosarco milk, which I really need to repurchase. So this is a blow dry perfection and heat protection cream. I have tried this before. So what you do is you put it in towel dried hair and run it through your hair, and then go ahead and blow dry and curl it or flat iron it, and this will protect your hair. So I really love Briogeo products. So that value is, I apologize, I didn't tell you what the liquid lipstick cost. And the liquid lipstick is $20. Wow. And it's a full size. So the Briogeo, which is not a full size, obviously, but if you buy the full size, it's $24. So the Briogeo can be kind of pricey, but they're definitely worth the price point. And if you're interested in trying them now, now would be a great time because you can get a percentage off of the Sephora sale. So the next thing is this Lexi brush, and I love these Lexi brushes, especially this one in particular right here. It is a great, like, either crease brush or like to put right here on the outer V. I absolutely love it, so I'm super happy to have it. This brush is valued at $12, and it is a full size. So the next thing is this Laura Geller, and it is an eyeliner pencil. It's called Incredible. It's a waterproof gel eyeliner. So, oh wow, so pretty. Yeah, right there. So that is pretty, and so it looks like a bronzy, plummy with shimmer. I'm excited to try this. Super excited. Actually, let's put a little bit. I do love Laura Geller. She makes stellar products. And I love ink gel liners because they tend to stay. Ooh, that looks very nice. so they tend to stay put. So let's see what that is. This is a full size and this is valued at $22. Carli did such a good job curating this box. So one more thing which is in here, and it is the phenomenal, what is it? It's organic tan infused cloth for face and body, and it looks like this. So that's what the packaging looks like. And then there's 2 cloths in here. So I'm not a tanner. I just go out for a couple hours one day and tan. So, and I don't tan my face. But this, I mean, it's nice. Probably pass this on to someone. And then it's this beautiful, cute little bag. So cute. So, oh, let me tell you how much the tan towels, those are for a pack of 8. It's valued at $25. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. Oh, I'm sorry. And the eyeliner 6. So we have 6 products in our plus our Allure bag. But 1, 2, 3 are full-size products, and this Natasha Denona, I didn't count that, but I mean, a $27 eyeshadow, I would say that's a full-size eyeshadow. It's not a palette, but it's awesome. So let me swatch the eyeshadow just so you guys can see it. I mean, she makes the best eyeshadows. Let's see. Oh, it's nice. That would be a beautiful lid shade right there. Beautiful. And just the formula is absolutely gorgeous. So that is the April Allure box that I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.